Scotland's manufacturing sector makes a vitally important contribution to our nation's wealth, generating around 2/3 of our exports and contributing over £12 billion to the economy. It's key to Scotland's economic growth. Manufacturers need to constantly improve their products, operations and value proposition in order to retain and grow their domestic and export markets and generate wealth and prosperity for our nation. The Scottish Manufacturing Advisory Service is an integral part of Scottish Enterprise, working in partnership with Highlands and Islands Enterprise to support all manufacturers and producers in Scotland, to improve efficiency, enhance customer service, transform their businesses, and increase their future opportunities. With hands-on practical support from experienced manufacturing professionals, SMAS is helping make things better. The SMAS team has a wealth of practical manufacturing expertise, spanning a range of sectors and technologies, working with businesses to deliver real bottom-line benefits. To ensure Scotland's manufacturing industry remains globally competitive, SMAS helps businesses to embed a culture of manufacturing excellence and continuous improvement.
Our introduction to SMAS came through our relationship with Highlands and Islands Enterprise. Very quickly it became clear that SMAS could provide a small business like ours with the tools to pull together all our various decision makers and communicate throughout our business with a common language.
Some of the key areas we focused on is communication. It's how well the team works, it's what key performance indicators are they working to, and it's how they know they've had a good day or not. They can identify issues, and from the issues they can identify continuous improvement actions, and the company becomes action orientated. So all in all these initiatives tie in to help this company drive their continuous improvement, and that all leads to an improvement in the bottom line.
For many businesses, the continuous improvement journey begins with a manufacturing review. This on-site, flexible and focused assessment provides feedback on a business's people, systems and processes, identifying potential for adding value and reducing waste.
In my eyes, there's three processes that I always try to identify. The first process is what the stakeholders think happens in the business, closely followed by what should happen in the business. However, the most important thing that the practitioner tries to identify is what is actually happening through the business. By doing that, we can then identify what the key improvement activities for the business are.
From SMEs to multinational organisations, SMAS's flexible approach supports manufacturing businesses to identify improvement opportunities and helps lay the foundations for growth.
SMAS has done quite a lot of work with Aker Solutions. We started off with a manufacturing review, which was one of the largest manufacturing reviews SMAS has undertaken. The output of that were various improvement activities for Aker to then take forward themselves.
It's quite easy to think you know how to improve your organisation using the skills that you have within it, but we've found that it's beneficial to get an external organisation such as SMAS involved to provide their input. In 2012 we produced 132% more subsea control modules than we did in 2011, but with only 61% more people. SMAS played a big part in that manufacturing improvement.
SMAS practitioners are all qualified coaches. They aim to engage and involve staff and management throughout a business, to make improvements and address the customer's needs identified during the manufacturing review. Keen to establish continuous improvement as one of their own company values, Peak Scientific, a manufacturer of gas generators for the global market, enlisted the support of SMAS to guide them on their journey.
We wanted to concentrate on lean awareness and waste management and understanding those wastes, how we identify them, and also the tools that we can use to eradicate those wastes. We've got ideas boards going up, we've got project teams on the go, we've started implementing 5S in some of the areas. We have built a solid foundation that people now understand where the wastes are and what they can do about them, and this is only going to serve us well as we grow. We're an innovative company, we have a big engineering resource. Last year we designed and developed 47 new products, and we couldn't have got where we are now without the help of SMAS and Scottish Enterprise.
In line with Scottish Enterprise's business plan, SMAS supports companies to release capacity, to focus on innovation, accessing new markets and growth. Like many companies that work with SMAS, Gawler Closures was keen to embed the principles that they had learned into every aspect of the organisation, working with SMAS time and time again on a variety of improvement projects.
The initial project was a Six Sigma project where we had 12 people on it. We found that very good. We've then subsequently had another project, Six Sigma Greenbelt project, which has been completed. We've now had a lean manufacturing team in from a shop floor. They've completed their lean manufacturing, and we're currently doing our third Six Sigma team at the moment, Greenbelt. The difference SMAS has made to our business is basically changing how people view their working job and in their minds, changing how they think. We keep inviting SMAS back because it works. It works very well for the business. In 2007, Gawler Closures didn't make any profit, EBITDA profit. 2012, last year, we managed to hit 3 million EBITDA end of year. And that's not been built on increasing sales. There has been a slight increase in sales, but it's predominantly been done in the back of improvements, and SMAS have delivered what they said they would deliver.
Throughout Scotland, people at all levels of the manufacturing industry are discovering the many benefits of engaging with SMAS.
What I would say to MD thinking about working with SMAS is do it because SMAS will make a difference.
If somebody else is thinking about engaging with SMAS, I would say it's a great service. The guys have got a wealth of experience, knowledge and understanding, and what have you got to lose? Give it a try.
We're more powerful in terms of being able to get our machines out to our export markets when they need them, with a shorter lead time, and it also makes them cheaper, which means we're more competitive on a global basis. That's where they're helping us, that manufacturing piece of our jigsaw.
As Scottish manufacturing becomes more globally competitive, it's essential for manufacturing businesses to capitalise on future business opportunities and grow their market share. By working in a flexible, practical, hands-on way to embed a culture of continuous improvement, SMAS is working to deliver Scottish Enterprise's goal of more globally competitive companies, with greater opportunities to innovate, export and grow. Together, Scottish Enterprise, Highlands and Islands Enterprise and SMAS are helping Scotland make things better.